Hello, welcome everybody. This is Patrick Brando Group for our London studios with Architect Vozza.
Hello, welcome everybody.
What are you projecting today, Architect?
Projecting an hotel, big hotel.
Hotel, wow, it's a big one with different hotel bedrooms. Wow, amazing. Let's get inside of one of the bedrooms and let's have a look at it. 360 degrees. We have a very powerful software for our clients. Amazing. Now, show us some of the render views. Show us some of the render views. Wow, amazing, 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 amazing. So, Architect, when this project is gonna be ready?
I will be finished in a couple of days.
Perfect. If you're looking to open a successful business here in London or everywhere in the world, we are the company for you. If you're looking to provide for a business partner, we can help you. If you want to sell your business, we can help you as well. If you're looking for finance, we can help you. www.brandogroup.co.uk. We specialize in taking care of your ideas. From Patrick Brando, London, Architect Vozza.
Bye.
I'll see you next time.